In today's video, we are going to learn about how we can delete a particular patient resource and post it back using Insomnia or Postman. So we generally learned about how to update, post, put, and change the patient resources in FHIR server. Currently, we are going to use a command delete, and how we are going to do it. It's very simple. Let's go to Insomnia as we have been gotten very good hands-on on Insomnia, or else you can go to some YouTube tutorials and quickly learn what is Insomnia in 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll go to Insomnia. I will create a new request and it should be HTTP request, and I'll go here, and what I'll do, I'll use an option delete. Okay. In previous video, we are able to get and do a lot of things. So if I go to my previous get request, and if I am trying to get this particular ID, which is nothing but Sachin Tendulkar, little master, it was working fine. So I want to delete this. Okay, I'm going to use the same URL, not a problem at all. So I'm feeling bad, I'm deleting this patient resource because we even updated that. Or else, yeah, that's okay. We will try to delete some other resource. Just go to, yeah, Serena. That's perfect. And yeah, we will delete this patient resource, and before deleting it we'll just check whether it's available in the server or not. Perfect. Serena Williams Jamaica, it's available in the server. That's perfect. And when we are trying to get it, automatically it's popping out, means it's in the server. Now we are going to delete it. It's not at all like any complex thing. It's very simple. Sorry, paste the same URL of the get, the same ID. That's perfect, and put it in the delete bar and paste it over here. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Just send it. It's very simple as it is. Click on send. It automatically says 200. Okay. Whenever it's 200, our thumb rule is it's working fine. And successfully deleted one resource. Took 10 milliseconds. That's good. Shall we go back and get this particular resource once again? Will it come or not? As of now, it's showing it's there because it was a previous request. Now we'll send it freshly for the Serena. See, it says resource was deleted at this particular time. That's amazing, right? So not all servers will give these details. For example, even though we have deleted it, it says resource was deleted. So we even know that there was a particular resource like this before and it was deleted. For example, if someone gives us a random number and we are sending it, resource is not known, means this resource is a wrong resource. This particular ID was not generated for anyone, right? So that's a specialty of FHIR server, and it tells us whether the resource was existingly there or it is not there. So from the delete command, we'll get to know a lot of other details. For example, if I give multiple numbers and the FHIR server crashes, so because the ID of any particular patient resource will not be as big as possible, so we can get a lot of things with the delete and get things. So what we'll do, as per our details, we are going to post it back. So as we learned about how to post it, we'll go to our FHIR resource thing over here. We'll go to Serena and we'll copy everything. That looks good. We'll go to Insomnia. We'll go to our post button. That's again amazing. And we are going to post this. So whenever you are posting, don't give any ID because it doesn't have any ID if you're posting. So I gave some details over here. If you're posting anything for a particular patient resource, don't give ID. If you're getting, you should have a roll number, right? You should call with the roll number or pin number. Hey, with this ID, please come. If you're updating, you should say which resource you are updating. But if you're posting it, there is no existing patient at all. You are only creating it from the start, fresh. So ID will be, you will get this particular ID with the help of FHIR server. So whenever you post something, this ID, you will get it on the right side of the screen. So you will not be able to give it, right? So I'll delete it. So don't bother about this. This was our previous query. So ignore this. Now I deleted the ID and I just gave this particular resource as a JSON and I'm going to post it. Perfect. 201 created and we got a new ID. Now let's compare if it was the same ID or not. And go to Serena and paste this at the bottom. You see, this is not a new ID at all. So this was ignored, means this is a completely new ID we need to follow. And the problem is, if you're trying to watch this video and go back to previous video and use the same ID, it will not work. You need to use this one from now. That looks good. And yeah, I shouldn't have done that. People might have confused by using this, but that's okay. Yeah, we'll go here and see how we got this particular thing. That's it. We're able to delete a resource and post it back. And I won't like to delete multiple resources because I was using this all IDs as a reference in my previous video. So if someone is coming and trying to use this previous ID, they might get errors, but that's okay. We'll ignore Serena as of now. I think that's it. I think we have learned a lot with this particular session of how to delete, and we already learned about post, get, and put. Now I will add even this particular part. Okay, this is our delete one, right? Okay, so I'll mention it over here for the future notes. Even for delete, need to give it in this way, and I'll be giving all these details in the YouTube video description, so you can come directly and practice. You can use my GitHub, you can use the Postman, Happy FHIR server. Everything is free, of course, so not a problem at all. So yep, have a great day. Maybe we'll be learning more and more complex scenarios on how to handle a FHIR server query in future videos. Thank you.